What's up, everybody? Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far, and welcome to a video on Saga. I have covered this before, but only from when it launched, I believe. So wanted to cover it today because yesterday Saga was one of the strongest performers. All right, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. What you saw over the course of yesterday. I mean, obviously the main momentum was caused by Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin got some more bullish momentum, and that caused some altcoins to do quite well. But I think Saga was one of the strongest performers. I'm not completely sure. I mean, I'm also not sure what market cap Saga is, because then we can actually potentially look up how strong it's been. It's 170. I mean, can we look that up? So yeah, it's up 15%, but I think the bullish momentum already started earlier. So it has been quite strong. You can also see we gained a ton of momentum. Like in total, the open interest doubled, more than doubled. All right, so over $30 million in positions were opened. And since that happened, the CVD has been positive. All right, so that means that more long positions than short positions have been opened. Usually that's quite bullish. And at this moment, you can even see that the momentum is actually still quite strong. Like you can see that yesterday, the momentum from Bitcoin caused a lot of altcoins to also become more bullish. And when Bitcoin started losing momentum yesterday afternoon, most altcoins also fell, but Saga has been holding. And we'll get into the technicals in a moment, but I actually do think that if you want to trade Saga right now, or if you want to know what's going on, what's most likely, etc., I think the analysis and what I will tell you in a moment is actually quite easy. But we'll get into that in a moment. In general, like I said, we gained a ton of momentum right here. It's not dropping down yet. So I have to be bullish, all right? I have to be short-term bullish on Saga. We got two major bullish breakouts. First of all, here above $4. But before that, we also broke above this 3.75 level, which was a strong support over the course of the last weekend and the beginning of the week. So we had some sort of a reclaim, which is usually bullish, especially a reclaim with momentum. And we have not had any bearish breakouts yet, so far at least. So I have to be bullish. And then apart from that, Saga is also backed by some pretty big venture capitals, etc. Like Murat Cycle, Samsung Next. Also had some angel investors behind it. GSR, which also has a market making arm in their operations, which is always great. So there's just a lot of positives. And then apart from that, right now the market cap is under 400 million, which is high, but there's definitely room for growth. So even though Bitcoin right now is relatively weak and we're losing momentum, I think Saga can actually continue. But the main thing, and now we're getting into the technicals, the main thing you just have to watch is watch for the next confirmation. All right, right now, I would say the main resistance level is this resistance level at 4.6. And the main support level, quite clearly, as you can see on the chart as well, is this level around 4.05. Those are the two main key levels surrounding the price right now. So because it's the weekend, because the market circumstances are not amazing, what I would say is wait for a breakout. All right, wait on the 1 hour time frame at least. Wait for one of these levels to break and for us to actually get some sort of a retest. All right, so for example, if we are actually able to break above 2.6 right here and hold it on the 1 hour time frame, we're bullish. And we can get up to $5 and probably even 5.5 with the momentum that we have right now. And this, like the likely, it's 50-50 for me. But the likelihood of this would increase significantly if Bitcoin turns more bullish. And then apart from that, if we are not able to get that bullish breakout and we drop down below 4.05 here, close down below that, we'll just drop back down to 3.6, 3.7 and consolidate on top of that. I don't think that will break. But then obviously we've lost the bullish momentum. So that's the main thing. And because of the fact that Saga at this moment is still bullish, I would say it's most likely we're going to get that bullish breakout, but that does not mean I would buy Saga right now. Wait for that confirmation, act upon that. That's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care.